To turn off Private Relay on your iPhone, start by unlocking your device and going to the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Scroll down and select iCloud. Inside the iCloud menu, look for Private Relay and tap it. You'll see a toggle next to Private Relay. If it's green, it means it's currently enabled. Simply tap the toggle to turn it off. A confirmation prompt might appear letting you know what disabling Private Relay will do, like exposing your IP address and DNS requests to your network provider and websites. Confirm by tapping Turn off Private Relay in the prompt. After doing this, Private Relay will be fully disabled and your internet traffic will no longer be routed through Apple's privacy network. This setting applies system-wide for Safari and any app that uses iCloud Private Relay. If you're using a cellular plan that supports Private Relay and you're seeing location-based restrictions or issues loading certain content, disabling it should resolve that. Once done, you can go back to the home screen and continue using your device normally. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, like this video, and leave a comment below if you have other questions.